You?
Yeah, it's me again. I noticed I hadn't been seeing you around, so I came to check up on you. Is everything okay?
You know this is borderline stalking, right?
A normal person would consider this as being friendly. What's wrong with you? Why are you so uptight?
Excuse you, kiddo. You don't get to come to my house and talk to me like that. I will not take it. Go play with your toys or whatever it is you do. I have work to do.
Fine. Sorry. I'm sorry. I've just been a little bit frustrated that you keep shutting the door at me and walking away. I like you. I really like you. I know you may not understand it, but I'd love to get to know you better.
Ideally, that should happen both ways, but I am not interested.
I'm sure you guys are all wondering what's going on here. I'm going to take you back to how it all started. My name is Shaya, and I am a typical example of an adjust got back.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this.
And this here is neighbor Ashley, or rather, Miss Ashley.
I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown.
George, talk to me. No, but the meeting was supposed to be for 10. Come on now, George. You guys are always doing this. It's like I'm making a headway and then the next thing there's a stumbling block. I understand. So when is the next meeting? And you're sure you're not going to cancel? All right, fine. No wahala. Nicole, please need to bring some.
Then I try again. I don't know why he's not picking his calls. Why? Eh?
Mom, he's still saying busy.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is this now? What kind of tension is this? Eh? Keep trying.
Hey! Mama! Yes,
Nina,
is this you?
So
Give me a hug!
I missed you so much.
It's so big!
Oh my god.
Damn!
Mom.
why did you never pick now? We've been trying this line.
So worried.
That's me. I told him not to pick the I wanted to surprise you guys. My family! Oh! I'm so happy to be back. Mama did cook for me.
Come back. Full appetite because I prepared your favorite. You might like it.
Ofen salad.
Alapo.
Mama, mommy, I love this. God, I love you so much.
Let's take it. Hold on, wait, let me take it. Why I want to visit. Please, hold on.
What's this? I've been meaning to have one of these, you know.
Man, I give it back.
Bruh, like literally, this thing is worn out. Literally, it's time for you to let it go.
That's literally the fifth item you're taking from me today.
Okay, and so what's a big brother for if you cannot spoil me?
You're so typical.
I know. So let's see what's in here.
You mean take half of what is in there?
I mean, if you know me so well, why didn't you just get me a whole luggage to myself?
I literally bought you a bag.
Okay, and I love and appreciate this bag, but guess what, bro? We need to put something in it, you know?
Alright, bud. You're a case, Mena.
I know.
Stop, Mena!
It's not as if I care so much about Sandra. It wasn't concerned trailer with bicycle when you full off for back. See, that bicycle should just watch itself.
So now Sarah is it, right?
Before Uncle. Babe, see that girl is nothing where I am. I will crush her like an overdried bread.
Sure. But guess what? You need to understand the situation before jumping into conclusions. You've not even heard from both of the stories.
I see now. Sandra is your friend, Abby.
No.
You prefer her to me.
You're so wrong. That's not true.
I beg you, go, Joe. Always taking her side over mine. She's your body. Body.
All I'm saying is that you should try and understand situations. You should try and hear from both of the stories so you don't end up like you know who.
You want to insult me now, Abby?
Hey, calm down. Well, let me go tell my brother you're here.
Please do that. And get me some juice. I'm thirsty.
No, bro. I've just been around for like 2 days. Nah. No. I've been jet lagged, man. Yeah, no. I brought chocolates now. All those stuff. Yeah, come in. Okay, just send me the address. We'll talk later. Yeah, no whatever. Alright, bro. Later.
Hey,
What's up?
Coco is downstairs. She wants to say hi to you.
Which Coco? Chloe? How does she know I'm around? Oh, Mena. Did you tell her?
Yes, I did.
Mena. I don't want the whole world to know that I'm around. Just...
The whole world? That's my friend. And she constantly asks about you all the time. Do you expect me to lie to her? What's even your problem?
Where is she?
She's downstairs. She's really excited to see you though.
Okay, I'll join you guys shortly.
Alright, bro.
Coco.
Oh my god! I missed you so much. It's true, you're really back. Oh my longest time.
I know, right? This is the longest time we've been apart.
That's because you ditched me.
Coco. Now I have to go for school now.
And apparently you don't have phones in the US anymore. See, I have friends who travel out and they reach out. But you just went radio silent. You don't even respond to my DMs. You literally completely forgot about me when you got to the States.
Coco the jokester. You know it's not like that now. The thing is the time difference now.
Time difference.
Like when I want to call, it's already midnight over here.
And who is complaining? I take calls at midnight. That's my forte. See, these your silly excuses are not going to fly this time. I'm angry. Like, my blood is boiling. For real. The only way you can cool me down is if you take me out.
Okay. Where do you want to go?
Now you're talking. I've missed you.
I know, right?
Tell me everything. Like, really, everything. So, how is it like?
It's okay.
Hey, Mama.
You wouldn't believe what I just saw.
What did you just see?
You know me. Normally, I would not be getting involved in things like this.
Babe, what did you see?
The last time we spoke, you said Fred is in Abuja, right?
Yeah, he went for work. Why do you have business for him?
I just saw him in Ikeja with a random babe stepping out of the hotel. I was having my seminar in the hotel.
Nah, I'm sure he's a lookalike. He's in Abuja.
No, darling. It was him.
Well, maybe it's a business meeting or something.
Yeah, I wanted to really think that. And I would have concluded I was blind and I only heard his voice. Anyway, I took a picture of them together. So you figure it out if it's business or not. Check your WhatsApp. Babe, I'm so sorry. I hate making calls like this.
Crazy bastard. Fred, how's your business meeting going?
Great. In fact, I just finished talking with Musu. He completely loved my idea.
So you're still in Abuja?
Of course.
Fred, it's God will punish you for me. You are a bastard. Are you joking? You that you're in Ikeja with a baby are telling me that you are in Abuja.
What are you talking about?
I know you never left town. I know you are still here. Why? Fred, you told me that the last time was the last time. Why are you still doing this?
Ashley, you're wrong.
How dare you? Fred, how dare you? You told me that this was the last time that this was going to happen, and you're doing it again and again. Are you not tired?
Maybe one of your spies saw someone that looked like me.
You think I'm stupid, right? No, I'm foolish. Because what am I doing with you?
I am not cheating on you. Can never be me.
I have pictures.
What?
Fred, you know what? If you want to sleep with half of Lagos, sleep with half of Lagos. I am done. I'm done.
Hey, there you are.
Welcome back.
Thank you, dear.
How was your party?
Oh, wow. It was awesome. Guess who I met today?
Who?
I met Ejiro. Remember Ejiro? My friend, Augusta's son.
Oh yeah, I remember.
He now works for Chevron.
Wow, that's big.
So we were talking about you at the party.
You and Adrian were talking about me.
No. It was just his mother and myself. He told me that a family friend got him a job to work at Chevron.
That's how they get all these kind of jobs now. It's through Connect.
That brings me to you. You're back. You have a degree. Just talk to me. What are your plans for the future?
I'm not really like, I don't really.
Oh, hold on. I have all the day. Talk.
Mom, this talk is unprecedented.
But it's necessary. What are your plans, son? Have you written your CV?
Okay. You know I was a model back in the US. Well, there's a market for us, for people like me now in Nigeria.
Modeling? Who that one help?
Mommy, pays very well, oh.
Where? How? See, Chevron money is real money. You know Tokwe now? She's a model. Up till now, her mother still pays her Oba money to church.
Mom, Tokwe is a failed model.
Failed model. What difference does it make? See, son, get your CV ready. Uncle Felix will soon contact you. You know he knows all these multinational companies everywhere. Once he calls, you pick. I trust you. I know what he can do, don't worry. Very soon. You work in one of the multinationals. You understand me?
There's food in the kitchen for you, by the way. Men are cooked.
Take care of myself.
No, Fred. I'm done with this. I am done.
Babe, I know I messed up. And I'm sorry.
You didn't mess up. This is your MO. You do it all the time, and I don't know why I keep believing that you change.
Because this time around, I will change. Don't you get it? Do you know how many meetings I had to miss just to be here? Babe, I'm sorry. I am really, really sorry. I'm a changed man. Okay, fine. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Should we go for like couples counseling or therapy? Just give me another opportunity to show you that I'm a changed man. To show you just how sorry I am, my darling. You know you've always wanted a 14. Here you go. Amen. I want you to keep smelling nice for me as well.
To hell with you and your iPhone 14.
You've always wanted a 14. I mean, this should be able to take care of whatever anger you're feeling.
Do you know what I want? Fidelity. Loyalty. A faithful man. And you're none of that.
But I can be. Just give me another chance. I promise you.
This is the 100th time you are making this promise to me. I keep believing you every time. You keep coming back over and over again because I keep listening to your insincere promises.
This time around, I promise you it's sincere. Just give me one more chance.
Fred, I'm done. And I'm serious this time. And lose my number.
Babe, At least collect the phone.
Hey. Good morning. My name is Shaya. I'm new in the estate, but my family stays here. You may know them.
What do you want?
I came to say hi and, maybe make a new friend.
Okay. How old are you?
How does that factor into the conversation?
I like to know my friends.
Okay. I'm 22, going to 23.
We're from different generations, young man.
So, friendships can happen in the most unexpected.
I'm busy, yeah? Run along and go TikTok or play with your Gen Z friend.
Ouch. Okay, it's on. So you do know her?
No, I don't.
Not even her name?
No, but that's literally the easiest things to find.
How is it possible that you, the chairman of Tatafu in this estate, doesn't know anything about this lady?
I mean, I've only seen her a couple of times, but we've never spoken.
What is it with Nigerians and this ageism thing? Why can't a guy like me be friendly with someone like her?
Friendly? With someone way older than you?
Do you have a problem with it?
No.
Back in the States, it's normal though. It's even encouraged.
Well, like you said, in the States, we are in Nigeria.
Mena, come on now. Help me out. Find what you can about her for me.
Bro, take my advice. Trust me, take my advice.
What is your advice?
Stay on your lane.
What is my lane?
Your age limit, of course.
Oh, I see. You're one of those people that set the rules on who I can be friends with and who I can't be friends with. Mena, help me do something now.
Bro, take my advice. It will save you from severe heartbreak.
Mena, is that you? Coco, what are you doing here?
Hi. I came to see you. What are you doing? Can I join?
I'm playing a game. It's online. You came to see me? Why?
Stop. You're back.
I thought that was clear the last time we met.
Yeah, it was, but I miss you. I know you missed me too.
Okay.
We pretty much left our relationship in the freezer because you were traveling out. But now that you're back...
Freezer. Okay, last time I checked, our relationship was pretty much over.
Not from my viewpoint. I still have feelings, Shia. How about we give this another go? You, me... Okay, I see what you're trying to do. Trying to act all coy. You can't tell me you haven't thought about this since you came.
Actually, my mind has been preoccupied with other things. I'm trying to get a job and focus on my modeling career, not thinking about the broken relationship.
Well, now that I'm bringing it up.
I'm not interested.
What? Why?
I don't know. I just want to, find myself, focus on my career, on my future, that kind of thing.
What about me then?
We could be friends.
You're funny.
Hey! It's me again. How are you doing? I'm Shia. We met when we were jogging.
I remember you. I'm just wondering why the hell you're talking to me.
Look, I'm talking to you because I'm fixated. I mean, you're so gorgeous. Besides, I don't mind...
And you want to be friends?
Yeah.
I'll repeat myself for the last time. Stay away from me.
Come on. I was only trying to get your attention because the first time was a bit awkward.
Okay, you know what? Since you're so desperate, how about you wash my car? I'll pay you for it.
Are you kidding?
How's that for relationship?
What are you saying? You don't know what you're missing out on. We could be best of friends, you know? I'm right here when you come back.
Hey, bro. You know what? I actually feel like eating pizza for dinner. Mom is going to be back late. Don't you think this is an opportunity for us?
To what? To eat junk? Man, I don't be lazy, go and cook.
I mean, if you want to eat home food, you can clearly go make it yourself or order just like me.
When you're here.
Bro, my duty is off today. I'm off duty. I have nothing to do today. But guess what? Your mystery lady's name is Ashley. And she has a man.
Nope, she doesn't.
Well, the person who told me about her clearly says she has a man and they are friends. So, that's somebody else's woman.
If she had one, I would have seen him by now. Besides, if she does have one, she would let me know herself.
Oh, so you guys are dating now? Did you ask her out? She said yes. What's going on?
Not yet, but I would. Well, I'm going for a run.
A run? You literally did that this morning.
So, are there rules to when I can and cannot run?
Oh, hell yeah, because I mean, if you don't need to exercise, there's no point. I know you want to go see your mystery woman.
Bye, weirdo.
This is not an American movie. You better use your sense, bro.
Whatever.
You better be smart.
Yeah, it's me again. I noticed I hadn't missing you around, so I came to check up on you. Is everything okay?
You know this is borderline stalking, right?
A normal person would consider this as being friendly. What's wrong with you? Why are you so uptight?
Excuse you, kiddo. You don't get to come to my house and talk to me like that. I will not take it. Go play with your toys or whatever it is you do. I have work to do.
Fine. Sorry. I'm sorry. I've just been a little bit frustrated that you keep shutting the door at me and walking away. I like you. I really like you. I know you may not understand it, but I'd love to get to know you better.
Ideally, that should happen both ways, but I am not interested. What are you doing here?
I still have the key that you gave me.
What do you want?
Ash, I can't deal with not having you in my life.
Fred, you made your bed.
Babe, I'm sorry. And this time around, I mean it. I'm not here to make any excuses. I mean it. I broke your heart. I broke your trust. And I'm really just here to make amends.
Fred, I'm trying to get over you.
And I'm still trying to get over you. Don't you get it? My nights have been cold and long. I love you desperately. I can't replace you. Even if you were a twin, I would still choose you. Just give me one more chance to prove myself.
That's what you say now. Then after a few months from now, I'll be
I
hearing...
will still say that I love you. I won't stop loving you. I will always love you. Ash, you're my present and my future. And who knows, maybe even the mother of my unborn children. Just give me one more chance.
What do you have in mind?
You know you've always loved Mauritius, and I was thinking of a maiden vacation. You know, boat cruise, spa dates, horse rides, and the horse will not be the only thing you'll be riding. Right, baby? And we'll do that on your birthday.
Oh, baby, you hardly remember my birthday.
That was in the past. This man you are seeing is a brand new man. Terrible. October 17th, I tattooed it in my heart. My baby's birthday. So wait, what you say? Can I get some? Like, let's go upstairs.
Get some what?
Get some sugar. Hey.
So, I hear you're obsessed with an old lady.
What?
Yeah. You're running after her, chasing her, all of that jazz. And I'm yet throwing myself at you.
Do you want to talk about this here?
Why not? Oh, are you embarrassed? So imagine how I feel right about this moment.
First of all, what I do with my personal life is none of your business. I can like whoever I want to like. And Mena, why do you go around announcing the world my personal business?
I mean, she was raving about you. She's my friend. She needs answers. What do you expect me to do?
Keep my business out of your mouth. That's what I expect you to do.
Okay.
Fred, what's going on? You said you were going to pick me up at 4 o'clock. It's almost 8 o'clock. You're not here. And you're not responding to my messages. You're not picking my calls. Please, just say something. I'm waiting for you. Come in. Finally. Come in. Come in.
Hi.
You're not Fred.
No, I'm not. Oh, now I see why you let me in. That was a beautiful surprise, though.
No, man, what do you want?
I came to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amy.
I saw on Instagram that today was your birthday, so I thought I'd come wish you in person. Happy birthday, Ash.
Thank you. You're so cute.
You're all dolled up. Are you going out for a party tonight or something?
I was meant to. But I got stood up.
Oh. Sorry about that.
Like, I was moving on with my life. I was fine. And then he now came back. And now I'm back to square one.
I don't get. What are you saying? What are you talking about?
It's okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't want to talk about that, Jared. I just want to be left alone.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. It's your birthday. You shouldn't be left alone.
Right? I know.
I got you a gift, by the way.
Really?
I hope you like it.
Mm. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're so sweet. I have to cross on your lips.
I think I should take you to bed now.
Don't take me to bed.
Nah.
You don't want to kiss me.
Not right now.
Kiss me.
I don't think you know what you're saying. Let's go, take it easy.
Happy birthday. I want birthday kisses.
You get them later.
Oh, I want it now.
You need to sleep right now.
I don't want to sleep. I want to party.
We'll do that tomorrow. Let's just...
Bro, don't tell me you're still here. Glimpsing over Lady Ash.
Mena, please. I'm not in the mood for you today.
Okay. You're usually always very cheerful. You don't even take minutes to anything I say. So what's up?
Until you become annoying.
Okay, bro. So, are you still vexing about the whole Chloe thing?
Oh, hi.
Here you go.
Good morning.
Hi.
Did you like your gift?
Yes, I liked my gifts.
Okay.
Thank you.
I just don't know one should be doleful on your birthday.
I wasn't doleful on my birthday. I mean, I drank a bit, but I wasn't doleful. But yeah, it was nice chatting with you.
Oh yeah, I was
Can
thinking...
you please stop doing that? I am not a fan of you chasing after me.
Why? How do you want us to be friends if you don't want to allow us to talk?
Because I am busy.
I know you've been avoiding me.
Look, kiddo, back off. This is not a good time. I have a lot on my plate.
Kiddo, you're the one acting like a child. I know you're avoiding me because you kissed.
You did what? Tell me about it.
Now, do you want a loudspeaker? So you can announce it to the whole estate?
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to embarrass you. But how do you want us to be friends if you don't give us a chance to talk?
You're not understanding me. So I'm going to break it down to you in simple A, B.
Please, enough with the child jokes. I know you're older than me. I get it.
Oh, tell me. How did everything happen? Just me now. What's going on? You should tell me what's going on. Are you guys dating now? Did she say yes? Are you guys in a relationship? What's going on? Fill me in. What's up?
Nena, how many questions do you want to ask me? I need my space.
Space in this house, huh? Nothing like that. There's nothing like space in this house. Who initiated the kiss?
Kiss? Who kissed who? Come on, guys, tell me what's going on. Who did you... Oh, I see. Looks like you're getting naughty with your neighbor. Your very own Mrs. Robinson. Nice one, Shia. Did you know when she was finishing university, we were probably like wrapping up primary school?
You don't know that.
Well, it's 99% possible considering your age. I heard a woman is like late 30s, mid 40s, menopause-ish, something like that.
She's just 35, and besides, I don't care about age.
Well, that's cool. So you can date someone your mom's age, Abby?
Chloe, what's your problem? It's not your business.
You should be very proud of yourself.
I am. Extremely.
Calm down. You know it's his loss regardless.
I need wine.
I got you.
So, how was it like kissing a 22-year-old's lips?
Don't be ridiculous, babe.
I'm just checking in for a friend. A girl wants to know. Besides, when you kiss a 22-year-old's lips, you have to give me all the details.
Maybe I can't even remember what happened. I was drunk. I don't remember everything.
Wait, he took advantage of you?
No, he didn't. I mean, I feel like I was the one that initiated it, from what I remember.
Okay.
It was such a sad day for me. Fred stood me up.
You mean the scum of the human race stood you up? Mm-hmm. Girl, we should start calling him that from now on.
Because I just wasted my time with Fred.
But I kept telling you, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Because I thought he was going to change.
To what? A she-goat? I mean, can goats do that these days? I believe that he goes for one corner.
Jama, thank you for coming. That day was such a sad day for me. Everything was just terrible on my birthday. Until that boy came and he kind of made me feel better. And he got me a gift.
Really?
Yeah. Weird.
Aww, after the kiss.
Can you focus? That day was a day. I made so many bad choices. From making plans with Fred, and then he stood me up. And then I ended up kissing a teenager.
Well, so are you trying to say it's a one-time thing?
Duh.
Are you sure?
Yes. Are you kidding me?
Okay, no go fall in love with your neighbor Pekin.
Hey, Joma, don't worry. Please, let's leave this matter, I beg. So how far now?
Well, just here now. Look at me.
Hey!
So you're talking to me again now?
Come on.
No, you come on. You know I care about you and you just keep making me feel unwanted. Do you have any idea how that hurts?
It's not like that. It's just...
Oh, no. So what's it like then? Huh?
Coco.
Don't Coco me. I'm literally here standing in front of your face and you are running after someone who doesn't even care about you.
It's not like that.
Okay, so tell me, what's happening? Because I feel rejected. Do you have any idea how I care about you? I really, really do.
Why are you talking like this now?
And you're out there chasing after someone who doesn't even give a crap about you.
So this is how it's going to be now. Come on now, Coco, don't be talking like this. Now I care about you.
Thank you for coming. Oh.
Oh, what?
Nothing.
Wait, is that him? Whoa.
Ooh, can you stop doing that? That's very irritating. What is...
Wait, who is that with him?
I don't know.
I want to believe you. Except, girl, I know you so well.
Please come and be going.
Lie, girl.
You know you're going to have to stop doing this at some point, right? It's getting old.
Why? It's starting to grow on me.
What, is that you flirting?
Relax. I'm just having a conversation. I came to make an inquiry.
What do you want?
The tap in our apartment isn't running.
Okay, I don't understand. Are you telling me this as the estate manager or what?
Calm down. I came to check up on you to know if yours was running.
So you can help me fetch water?
Okay, fine. You caught me. I came to talk to you. You've been running through my mind all day. Are you not tired?
You need to stop doing that. Go and focus on someone your age. Maybe like the girl you were making out with this morning.
What? Which girl? Oh, you mean Coco?
Is that the name of a bird?
See, Coco, I mean Chloe, is nothing but a friend. And besides, we weren't making out. Wait, were you jealous?
What? I'm not playing this game with you.
You like me.
You're a joker.
And you have a beautiful laugh. Okay, nice chatting with you. Same time tomorrow?
What's with your brother and this old babe? Oh my gosh. I've never been this hung up about a guy before.
Well, I think at this point, Shaya is actually obsessed with Madam Neighbor.
Ew, why?
I don't know.
She doesn't even care about him. And I've run out of all my tricks with him.
But don't worry, you know that Shaya always comes back to you anyways.
See, he will not find me when he comes back this time. Because I'm not a footmat. I will just stay in one place and be waiting for somebody to come back. So let him know.
Oh, yeah, I hear you.
Hey, babe.
Babe, are you serious?
Babe, I know you're upset, but you should have asked me what happened first now.
Well, let me guess. An earthquake happened in your office. Oh, no. A tornado came and it took your phone. I should jump and fly and scream and celebrate that you're alive.
Babe, I know you're upset, but I'm really sorry.
Fred, please. You see this thing you're doing right now? All the lies in your book, you have exhausted them. I'm sure you sit down with your friends and you're like, that Ashley babe, she no fit leave me. Because I'm a dunce, right?
No, babe, I can't say that. See, everybody knows that you're my world. I can't live without you. Don't you get it? Eh? See, babe, I was robbed. So my phone was stolen. Like, they're trying to contact my parents. They can't reach me. My business contacts. Like, my life has been miserable. But I'm only here because I still love you.
Fred, don't touch me. Don't try me.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Excuse me, please. Stop what you're doing. You're outside. You're disgracing yourself.
Just remember the good times.
Which good times?
Remember the memories.
All
we
these bad
shared.
things. Please.
What are you doing? The lady said she let go of her.
Guy, this is a private conversation, so just stay out of it, okay?
Let go of her now. I won't say that again.
Or what? No, what will happen?
Ash, are you okay?
Yes.
You're sure you're not hurt?
Ash? See, listen, young man. I'm going to say this only once. I would advise you to stop talking to my girl and get the hell out of here.
She's not your girl. Even a fool can see that. Except you're saying you're less than one.
No! What is wrong with you? Wait! So it's because of this little boy that you've been acting up? I can't believe this. Why would you do that? No, are you insane? I can't believe it's because of this overgrown baby in diapers that is still probably watching Paw Patrols that you've been fronting for me. You've been acting for me. Fred! Ha! I can't believe you. I seriously can't believe you. I'm disappointed. Ash, you're ridiculous.
You're ridiculous. Get out of my house. Fool.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay. It was a pleasure. I'll do it again anytime, any day. What even happened between you guys?
Fred. He's a jerk. I mean, if there's a word bigger than jerk, that's what Fred is.
And you still stayed with him? I mean, I saw you arguing on the street one time. Why didn't you just leave?
I don't know. I guess I thought he would change. He wasn't bad in the beginning. He was good. He was helping me with my contracts, giving me advice. He really helped with marketing when I started my business first.
But then you couldn't change him.
I guess I thought his good side would somehow overshadow his bad side.
Sorry about that. So what work do you do?
I'm a brand consultant and marketing executive. How are you?
I work at my uncle's firm. He's still trying to find a place to fit me somewhere, but on the side, I'm a model.
Really?
Yeah. I have a fashion show this week, Seth.
Okay, I'm currently working with a brand and they want a male model. They're trying to push out some ads very soon.
Hello, I'm right here.
Yeah, I guess I'll put you in consideration.
Please do.
Let me get your number.
All right. Okay. Just take it.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits some loose shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along.
Come in.
Hey, you.
Hey, I was gonna call you.
Oh, you know what they say. Great minds think alike. What's up?
Okay, so I have some news. The clients loved you.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Yeah, and there's more news. Drum rolls.
I'm starting to get excited.
Drum rolls. They want you to be the face of their brand.
What? Oh my goodness, this is huge. Can I hug you?
Yeah.
Can I? Wow. I'm so happy. You're beautiful. Even when you smile like that, you're so beautiful.
Okay, can we focus on business?
Don't mind me.
So I'm gonna give them your number and have them call you. Do you have an agent, representative?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, super. So they would close out on terms and conditions and stuff like that.
I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Ash. This is all you.
I mean, you're really good at your job, so. Speaking of new gigs,
Hey, what's going on today?
I was assigned the consultant of their sister company.
What? Come on, look at you. Go, girl. I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank you. They really loved us.
You know what? This is a sign. This is a sign that we have to celebrate. We should go out and grab dinner tonight. Don't worry, it's on me.
Yeah, I wasn't worried. How about we have dinner at my place tomorrow?
Okay. That sounds like a plan, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even know what to say. Since when did choosing an outfit become so hard? Come in. Oh, thank God. I beg, come and help me pick an outfit for tonight. Which one do you think?
What's the occasion?
Man, I'm just going out tonight. Just answer. Which one?
Well, how do you expect me to be able to tell you what to wear when I don't even know where you're going?
I'm going for a date, okay?
I think this is fine.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you need me to help you get footwear?
Man, leave. I need to start preparing.
I just hope this lady doesn't put you in fashion crisis.
Come in. Hey.
Hey. I heard wine makes food taste great.
I hear so myself.
Here you go.
Thank you. This way, sir.
Ooh, looks like you went all out.
Yes, I do.
Hold on, let me get your shirt.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my God. This is so good.
Yeah? I mean, people tell me that, but I think I just try my best.
Well, trying your best seems to be working like magic. This is amazing. You would have basically got nothing on you.
Thank you. So, if you could remove something or change something about the food, what would it be?
Remove? I'll remove the cutlery. Let me just eat with my hand.
You know how to turn a simple dinner into a night of laughter.
Well, I believe food tastes better with laughter and wine. Cheers.
The night is still young. Do you want to do something else after dinner?
What are you suggesting?
I don't know. We can watch a movie?
I'd love to.
Hey, let's do that.
Can't wait. Horror movie?
What movie?
Horror.
Yes, actually.
Great. You know that this guy's a dancer, right? Like in real life.
Really?
Yeah. Can you dance?
That's nah.
So you can't dance to save your life? Even at gunpoint?
Yes. Like at gunpoint, you would have to dance to save my life. I have 2 left feet, please.
You want me to dance for you?
Yeah, I would like that.
Okay. About to give you some Michael Jackson.
You're wearing your jacket.
This is serious. So. Ooh.
Okay.
Come on. Ashley, dance with me now. Dance with me, Ashley.
I have 2 left feet. I can't.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
You're good.
Oh my god.
Now you're gonna turn, okay?
Ooh.
Yeah. 2, 1, 2, another one. Come on, yay! And you said you can't dance.
Do you want to go upstairs?
Yeah. After you. Ash, I have to go.
Who is that?
Mom, good morning.
Where are you coming from, sneaking in like that? Wait. You mean you didn't sleep in this house?
No, I slept at Michael's house. I told Mena to help me tell you.
Yes, Mom. When I wanted to come tell you, you were asleep, so I didn't want to disturb.
Oh. Is that why you're sneaking in like that?
Mom, I'm sorry. I didn't just want to disturb your beauty rest. Mama. Morning, you look so...
Don't try it again. Don't try it again. And you, let's go to the kitchen to finish the breakfast.
Tell you about what? Because I don't have anything to say.
I beg, shift. The money is already good by the look on your face.
I hate that you know me so well. Oh my goodness. How did I get this helpless, babe?
Thank you for the compliments, but spill.
Okay, so we danced and we watched the movie.
And?
And what? There's no and. Girl, I just had the best sex of my entire life. The bestest. I'm telling you, he was so... he took his time, babe. He just understood my body. Like, I can't explain it. Like, he knew what to do and when to do it.
Oh my goodness!
I know.
So he wasn't in a hurry.
At all. He wasn't.
He wasn't having any business in mind at the same time.
Nope. He was present. Like, he was here. Chicken.
Their father.
Their fathers!
Anyways, I'm sure you had such a good time. I'm so happy for
I did. I really did, actually. I'm happy.
So what's in this for you, considering his age and...
Ijoma, please, I know you don't want to spoil this moment for me, right?
I just want to make sure that you've thought about everything.
I don't know. I'm not thinking. I don't even want to think right now. I just want to enjoy and be happy. I deserve it.
Yeah, you sure do. Just enjoy it while alive.
Thank you. So how far now?
Yep.
You know you owe me a lot, right?
I'd be surprised if you didn't bring that up. Left to you, I'll have to pay for the air I breathe.
So where did you sleep last night? Where did you go?
That's none of your business.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go tell Mom.
Okay, wait. You know I told you I was going on a date.
With Lady Ashley? Yeah. Where?
At a house.
At her house? You guys are not dating? Are you guys dating? Oh my god, okay.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Hey. Did you miss your way?
You know, it's a shame that you can't find a man your age. And you have to frolic with a boy who's 2 times younger or more. You're messing with a boy where by the time you reach menopause, it's still gonna be very, very hot. And chasing over younger girls. Get a life. Ciao.
Coco, where are you coming from?
What? I just went to make a phone call outside.
No, you were not. Where are you coming from?
Fine. I went to have a talk with your neighbor.
You went to talk with my neighbor. What did you say to her?
I don't know. Nothing. Just chit chat.
Chit chat. Coco, I need you to know that all hell will break loose if I find out that you told her rubbish.
What's happening? Are you seriously threatening me because of that woman that's almost your mother's age? Is it that you are blind or you just like going after other things?
Coco, I've told you who I go after is none of your business. And besides, that woman is more attractive than you are in your 20s. And no, I'm not blind.
Well, I shouldn't be having this conversation with you right now because you're obviously hypnotized. Yes, but don't worry, I've told her a piece of my mind and I told her that by the time she hits menopause, you're still going to be as hot as ever. So there's no way anything serious can ever even happen between you guys. She should better go and be looking for her age mates.
Coco, you're very stupid. You're the one who needs to go and get a life. Forcing yourself for someone who doesn't want you makes you look very desperate and jobless. In fact, from today, I don't want to see you. I don't want to see your lips, your eye, your hair, anything about you. Remove it out of my business. If you see that woman coming, go the other direction.
I was so stupid to think that we could ever walk. You see, you're such a simp, and by the time you are done fooling yourself with that old hag, you're going to come back looking for me and I'm not going to be here.
I don't want you to be here. I will never come back.
Go to hell! See, I'm going to tell your mom how useless you are.
I dare you!
Watch me!
But that was me.
You better mind your business.
If you're not going to talk to me, at least tell me the reason for the attitude. Was he my friend? Did she say something to you? Look, I don't know what she said, but I promise I'm going to make sure that she stays away from me. I'm going to make sure that she can't even speak to you or she can't even say anything. Ash?
Girl, you should see her new boutique. Like, she has the latest wares. We should go check it out. Like stuff from Yankee, authentic. Seriously, you need to pick up his calls. You need to talk to him. You know you can't afford not to be receiving some of that good.
What was I even thinking? Like, how did I think this was going to work? That there was going to be a place for us? I can't even introduce him to my family as my guy, so what's the point?
It hasn't gotten to that point. Seriously, people will have to adjust.
In this part of the world, people will adjust.
As long as you're happy, they have no option but to adjust. And you figure it out with time. Seriously, talk to that sweet boy.
I've heard.
Talk to him, seriously.
Hey, bro. I haven't seen you all day. You didn't even ask for food. Are you good? Come on, bro. Why are you acting like a little child that literally just got his heart ripped off? Anyways, Mom is calling you.
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening, Shaya. You've been scarce in the house. Are you sick?
No, Ma.
You fine? You see, your uncle called. He said he has secured a spot at a top firm in Abuja. And not just that, the pay is really good. Good money.
But Mom, why Abuja? I don't want the job.
You say what? You don't want what? And you say you're not sick? What is why Abuja? Why not Abuja?
I prefer Lagos. Lagos is fine.
You prefer Lagos. Lagos is fine. It's not his fault too. Because you did not mention your location of preference before he embarked on a jump hunt mission. You can't turn down the job. You must take it. Good job, good money. You're talking about location. You don't want Abuja. I want Lagos. Wake up. Oh. Ha.
Ash. I'm so sorry for everything. I know I shouldn't have let it get to this, but please, Ash. Please. I'm so sorry.
Maybe your girlfriend was right. I should find a man my age.
She's not my girlfriend.
What was I thinking? Having something to do with you.
I'm still in episode 3.
And when did you get to episode 3? I'm on episode 2 and I thought I'd gone past you already.
I heard episode 7 has all the action.
Episode 7, like, I hear, oh my God, the guy is so hot.
Speaking about hot guys, how far your sweet boy neighbor?
I don't know. I haven't seen him in a while.
So your pride could not allow you enjoy yourself with that boy. I know you really do like that boy.
Joma, even if I love him, what difference would it make? I mean, things can't work between us, so...
This is the second time now, girl. Hope is not what I'm thinking.
Madam, what are you thinking? It's probably my allergies. I've been feeling a bit weird. Thank you. Wait, let me call you back. Hello?
Hello, son.
Yes, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
All right. Okay. How are you settling in? Your new job, your new apartment?
There's nothing much to tell you. I'm just still trying to observe the place.
Okay. Your uncle told me that your apartment and your workplace, they are very close. I think it's nice.
But I have a car, Mom. It doesn't matter if it's far or not.
To me, it's very preferable. All right. The Lord will protect and keep you.
Amen, Mom.
No evil eyes will see you.
Amen.
Your going out is blessed. Your coming in is blessed.
Amen.
The Lord will be your shield and your buckler.
Amen.
The Lord will promote you. You see, in this your job. The Lord will increase you, enlarge you, prosper you. Okay. Well, please take care of yourself, Talk to you later. Bye. Thank you, Lord. Lord, thank you.
Are you going to tell him? What are you going to do? Are you planning on taking it out?
I don't know. If I knew, would I be sitting here so confused? How can I be pregnant for a 23-year-old? People are going to think I'm trying to trap him. He's so young.
Why do you care about what people have to say? You're the one pregnant for him. So how can you be trapping him? How can his life be on hold because of you? Yes, you need to talk to him. Because how are you going to know what to do? The worst has already happened. It can't get any worse than this. He just has to understand that both of you are having a baby and he'll have to grow up.
He has his life ahead of him. He has a lot to do. It's going to seem like I'm selfish.
You are not selfish. You're only having a baby. Just pick up the phone and call him. But you have to cheer up, okay? Cheer up. Everything will be okay. We'll handle this together. Have you eaten today? So you're just here crying, but you haven't eaten. Look, as a proud auntie to be, my job is to make sure that you're well taken care of. What do you have in the kitchen to eat?
Noodles.
Noodles. Please, my people cannot eat noodles. So let me get one thing. Let me just tell you one thing. Let me make it very, very clear. You can starve yourself. But you see this, my baby? You cannot starve my baby. Okay? I'm about to check. I'm sure you have something else I can prepare. All right? Cheer up, my darling. Cheer up, please. Cheer up for me, please. Okay? It's going to be okay. Look in your eyes. Fine girl like you. It's not the end of the world. Let me find you something to eat, okay?
The number you dialed is switched off. The number you dialed is switched off.
Right, so how's life in Abuja like?
Abuja is boring actually. I prefer Lagos to be honest. But man, I can't even wait to go back to Yankee. That's why I want to go. That's what I want to do. By the way, how's Momsi now? What's going on with you guys over there? Like, what's going on? Have you guys eaten? Have you had dinner?
Bro, let me call you back.
Hey. Shaya's number hasn't been going through and I haven't seen him around, so I came to check on him. But from the conversation, I can hear that he's fine, so I'm just going to leave.
Mina, who is at the door?
Good day, ma.
Good day, dear.
I'm very well, ma. My name is Ashley. I live in the neighborhood.
Oh.
I just came to say hi.
You don't want to come in?
No, ma, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, ma.
I'll be upstairs.
Hey, bro. When last did you hear from her? That was a long time. Bro, she is pregnant. How am I supposed to know, you dummy? Have I been pregnant before? Wait. You think the baby is yours? Is that why she came to the house a few months back? She just said your number hasn't been reachable. She came and she left immediately. I didn't think it was necessary. Oh, Yusuf, why did you even change your number? What?
You were going to have my baby without telling me?
You left without telling me. You changed your number. I thought you didn't want me anymore.
That's because you pushed me away. You made it clear to me that we were not meant to be. You see that job in Abuja? I took that job to get you out of my mind.
How did that go? Getting me out of your mind.
I could barely concentrate.
I should have told you. But the moment I found I was pregnant, you were gone.
Then why? Why did you push me away? Knowing how much I care about you. You hurt me, Ash. And it still hurts.
I was confused and scared. What we were doing is not the norm. And then, when I remember what your friend said, I figured that's probably what everybody is thinking, and I'm sleeping with...
Bullshit. I don't care about any of that.
What would the neighbors say? What will your mom say? She probably thinks I lured a young boy into my bed and I trapped him and now his life is going to be on hold.
My life is on hold? Ash, you brought meaning into my life. Remember? You brought light into my world. You gave me experiences I will never find anywhere else. I love you so much, Ash. I love you. I don't care about what anyone is saying or what everyone thinks. I only care about us. So please, please, Ash, let me be a father to our child.
So what next?
Fine. Fine.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ashley, Shai is not getting married now. It's not possible. He has to be financially stable, very stable, before starting a home.
Mom, we're not trying to get married now.
We just want to be able to raise our child together, and then we'll see where it goes from there.
It's alright. I wish Belfoot good luck.
Thank you, Mom.
Mom.
had help from Ijoma and Mena.
Oh my God.
I thought it would be nice to, invite a few colleagues and celebrate your send-off.
Thank you guys.
To Ashley, you're the strongest woman I know. Thank you for being part of my life. I can't wait for us to raise our child together. I love you.
Everyone, we definitely need to celebrate this. So let me go get champagne and some glasses.